Hi you guys, so I'm going to give you a quick Blue Fescue update. These are the Blue Fescue that I sowed in January of this year, 2021. And these are the Blue Fescue seedlings that I sowed in February. I think it was actually February 14th of this year, 2021. So these guys, I just potted them up into their own little cell. They look a little weary right now. They just got watered, but they have decent roots, so I think they'll be perfectly fine. The roots were great. Some of them did break off, as I was lifting them out, but they're fine. They have enough roots to bounce back. They look really good. Had a lot of growth. They are 3 months right now. Let me see if I can get a better view for you. So they are 3 months right now. Don't mind that honeywort right there. Honeywort plant. But yeah, they look really good. Now these ones right here are 4 months old. They are getting so crazy with the growth. I almost want to give them a trim. I'm gonna have to do some research to see if I'm sure it's not a big deal to cut some of it back, but they are growing all over the place and all over the other plants that they're next to. So I'm gonna see about giving them that trim, because some of them are super long, like, see that? And they're not thick enough to really hold up the foliage on their own. Once they get bigger, I'm sure they will be able to do that. So they look really, really good. I'm so pleased with the growth. I'm happy. These, I'm not sure what they're gonna look like midsummer. I'm hoping that's when I'll get to go ahead and plant them in the landscape. I can plant them now, but I want to have something that's a little bit sturdy out there before I stick it in the ground. So these have, I'll let these do what they need to do. There's no rush to put them in the ground, but that's just my goal for them, is to have them ready to go by summer. That all depends on these guys. So yeah, so that is a quick little update. These guys are 4 months, these guys are 3 months, and they look amazing. They're doing really, really good. If you have any questions about growing Blue Fescue, leave them in the comment section below. You can always refer to the prior videos where I talk about growing Blue Fescue, and then I also have a video showing you how I started Blue Fescue seeds. All right guys, see you in the next video. Bye.